when Corey was explaining to them like all of the traditional foods.
Oh.
It was so funny. Because she wasn't sure either. And so she would look at me like, right?
Well, that's when she was looking at something and she was like, oh, tradition. And I was like, oh, yeah, it does.
Because, she was talking about the cranberry sauce. She's like, and people like pour it all over their food. And she's like, right?
This is John's house, but we don't like him anymore.
Oh, yeah. That's John's house. But then, like, it's just funny because, what's his name? The little one?
I don't remember it.
I don't remember either. But he was like, I don't think I would like that. That's not my taste.
It's not good.
And I was like, me neither.
He's nice.
Yeah.
He seems more like,
He's really open. Yeah.
Yeah. Because he was like talking to me when you guys got up and I was just sitting there. And what's his face got up and it was just me and him sitting there.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, so when did you get there? But I knew he'd be like that. Like from the time that he gave a talk in second year. I was like, I like you.
Yeah. Ah! The dog?
Yeah.
Oh, snake. Hello.
Hmm? Well. Is that it? Smells so good. Ah. What are those? They're orange. That smells so good. Those are the big coconuts. Breadfruit tree! Little one. They're gross. They smell bad. That's the elementary school. What? Oh. Oh, he's so little. Everyone's having babies. Holy cow. No, it's rainy. No, it just hit my cheek. Aww. Yeah. I was looking. There's the temple. Ooh. Man, I wish it was sunny. It looks like it might get sunny over there. I hope there's not a lot of people. Oh, dang. Is that our, like, hallmates right there? Yes? So isn't that our hallmates? Our hallmates. The people who live down...
I heard you. I said I don't know.
Oh, I thought you said what? Oh. Ugh. Can't walk. Well, this is Temple Beach, and Hukilau is down there, but I'm not going to keep videoing because it's going to run out of time. Well, there you go!